Have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly at peace, not because of the furniture or decor, but because everything just felt right? No clutter, no chaos, just calm. Now imagine that feeling spreading throughout your entire home. For many seniors, the idea of organizing or simplifying their living space can feel like a mountain too steep to climb. But what if I told you that a more organized home isn't just possible? It can be incredibly freeing. Today, we're going to explore how a few thoughtful changes can transform your space into a haven of comfort, clarity, and joy. Let's begin with something that's very real for many of us: clutter overload. Over the years, we collect things: birthday cards, gifts, kitchen gadgets, paperwork, clothes that no longer fit, or souvenirs from vacations past. Each item has a story, a memory, or a purpose we believed it might serve one day. But the truth is, these items often end up robbing us of peace. They sit in drawers, closets, and corners, unnoticed but always there. The weight of stuff builds until one day, it becomes more than just physical clutter. It turns into emotional noise. That's why organizing isn't about throwing things away. It's about choosing what stays. It's about keeping what matters most and gently letting go of the rest. Start where it feels easiest. Maybe it's a single drawer in the kitchen. You open it and find batteries that no longer work, pens that ran dry years ago, and takeout menus from restaurants that don't even exist anymore. Begin here. Clean it out, wipe it down, and breathe. That simple act of reclaiming just one small space can be the spark that changes everything. Because organization isn't just a task, it's a mindset shift. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, but for many seniors, it can quickly become one of the most overwhelming spaces. Small appliances crowd countertops. Cabinets overflow with mismatched containers and gadgets we swore we'd use. Do you really need 3 cheese graters? Probably not. Go through your utensils and appliances and ask yourself, when did I last use this? If it's been a year or more, consider donating it. Make space for the things you truly use daily: your favorite mug, a reliable toaster, the saucepan that's just the right size. The less you have to sift through, the more joyful every meal becomes. Let's head to the closet next. Clothing is deeply personal, which is why it's so difficult to let go of certain pieces. That dress you wore to your daughter's wedding, your favorite old sweater from years ago, it all carries meaning. But not everything has to be worn to be remembered. You can take a photo of that special item, preserve the memory, and then make room in your closet for pieces you actually wear today. A simplified wardrobe means easier mornings, fewer decisions, and more comfort. Paperwork is another silent clutter culprit. Bills, receipts, medical reports, warranties. We tend to keep every piece of paper, just in case. But let's be honest, how often do we actually need them? It's time to embrace a smarter system. Keep only the essentials in a labeled folder. Consider going digital with help from a family member or trusted friend. Many documents are now safely stored online, and having less paper around reduces fire hazards, dust, and anxiety. A clean desk or table isn't just a nice visual. It's an open invitation to write, read, or enjoy a cup of tea without distractions. Now let's talk about memories. Photos, letters, heirlooms, they tell our stories. But they can also become overwhelming if they're scattered across boxes in the garage or attic. Choose a few favorites to display in a place of honor, and consider creating a memory album or digital slideshow with the rest. This way, your memories don't disappear. They're just more organized and accessible. And if you're feeling generous, pass down some treasures to loved ones now. There's a certain joy in seeing someone appreciate what you've cherished. Bathrooms are another space that benefit from thoughtful organization. Clear the vanity of products you don't use. Keep daily items within easy reach. Install a small shelf or basket for safety essentials like grab bars, extra toilet paper, and non-slip mats. Streamlining the bathroom reduces risk and enhances comfort. And don't forget to check expiration dates on medications and skincare items. Sometimes we keep things much longer than we should. Storage areas, like attics, basements, or garages, are often the final frontier of clutter. These places tend to collect everything we don't know what to do with. Old decorations, unused furniture, broken electronics, it all piles up. But every item here takes up space and energy, even if it's out of sight. Tackle these areas with help, one shelf or box at a time. Sort items into categories. Keep, donate, recycle, or trash. Ask yourself, is this item serving me today? If not, maybe it's time to thank it for its role in your life and let it go. Your bedroom should be your sanctuary, not a storage unit. Clear the nightstand of items you no longer use. Keep your favorite book, a lamp, and maybe a photo of someone you love. Underbed storage is great for items like seasonal clothing or extra linens, but make sure they're labeled and easy to access. A tidy, quiet bedroom supports better sleep and a calmer start to each day. Even living rooms can benefit from a touch of simplicity. Remove extra furniture that gets in the way. Keep surfaces clear except for a few meaningful items, a family photo, a plant, or a cozy lamp. Consider organizing remote controls, magazines, or reading glasses into a small basket or drawer. It's not about perfection. It's about creating a space that welcomes you with peace. So why does all of this matter? Because when your space is organized, your mind is, too. You can move through your day with more ease. You can find things without frustration. You can invite loved ones over without rushing to tidy up. You gain not just physical space, but emotional freedom. It's also a gift to your family. When we take the time to simplify our homes now, we lessen the burden on others later. Our children or grandchildren won't have to make difficult decisions about what to keep or toss. We show them, through our actions, how to live intentionally. And that's a legacy worth leaving behind. If organizing your entire home feels too big, remember this: small steps matter. One drawer, one shelf, one decision at a time. Celebrate your progress. Take breaks. Share the journey with a friend or loved one. And remind yourself that this isn't about having a picture-perfect home. It's about creating a space that reflects who you are now, strong, wise, and worthy of peace. Before we wrap up, take a moment to think about what area of your home you'd love to transform first. Is it the kitchen counter? Your closet? Maybe that pile of papers on the dining table? Wherever you start, know this: you're not just tidying up. You're reclaiming your space, your energy, and your joy. And if this video spoke to you, if you found even one tip that made you feel a bit more hopeful or motivated, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world and helps us create more content that makes a difference. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with a friend or family member who might need a gentle nudge toward a simpler, more peaceful home. Thanks for spending this time with us today. Here's to letting go of what no longer serves you and embracing a home that feels just right. You've earned it.